Hi guys, this is Chef Ananya Banerjee. I am going live from Amul platform today. I think this is going to be my fourth live. I've also come on the national platform three times and once in Amul Bangla. So good to see you guys. So today I'm going to make a paneer quesadilla. Quesadilla is a Mexican dish which is very popular. Now I'm going to substitute the meat with paneer, and I'm of course using a lot of Amul products. So in my today's recipe, Amul butter, Amul cheese, Amul cream, Amul paneer, all these things are going to go. So I'm just waiting for you guys to join me, and I'm starting the process very soon. If you have any questions, do let me know after I finish the cookout. So let's get started. So I'll just put the camera more towards my cooking platform so that you can have a good look. Yeah. So I'm making the paneer, the quesadillas. I'm going to make it the dough first. Okay. So for the dough, I've taken some maida, regular all-purpose flour or maida. Just add a little salt, a bit of oil, about a teaspoon, and just make a dough with some water. Always add your water little by little so that you have a control on your dough. The usual measurement is, if you're taking 1 cup of flour, then you have to take half cup of water. But always don't add the water immediately. Little by little does the trick. Form into a nice, soft, pliable dough. So just coming back to the live part. So this basic dough is made with maida, flour and water, but you can also buy ready-made tortillas which are available now in the market very readily. So you can use ready-made tortillas as well, and the filling can be very varied. You can use whatever filling you like. So my dough is now complete. It's nicely done. I'll put some wet cloth on top and cover it and keep it aside and start with my filling. For the filling, of course, if you're doing the authentic Mexican way, you can add chicken, you can add all your non-veg, but I'm doing a complete vegetarian paneer quesadilla. So I'll just chop some onions, so some chopped onions, and I am taking some boiled corn, some chilies, some dhania and some Amul paneer. Put the gas on and add some Amul butter. A little bit of Amul butter will go. This is one butter we have grown up with. I lived all across, I lived in Europe, I lived in other places, but whenever I used to stay there, I missed this taste of butter because we have grown up with this. So some onion, chopped onion goes in first. I hope you can see. Add some green chilies. I'll chop some capsicum or shimla mirch while the onion is frying. Anything if you fry in butter, it tastes good. And especially if you fry in Amul butter. Okay, so some chopped capsicum. I'm going to add the capsicum now in the pan. Give it a good stir. When this is browning nicely, I'll add the boiled corn in it. And the paneer, I'll crumble it up a little bit and add to the filling. Keep mixing this. Add some salt to taste, some pepper and some red chili flakes. Keep mixing this well till you get a nice filling for your quesadillas. I'm almost there. I'll add some Amul cheese, the regular Amul cheese, this one. I've grated some here and I'm going to add some in my filling. What the cheese will do is, it will make a nice binding. So the entire filling will now come together and form one mass. But quesadillas normally has lots of cheese. So when I'm stuffing this inside my tortillas, I'm going to add some more cheese. Who doesn't like more cheese? I do. I think all of you do, isn't it? There's nothing like more cheese. Now the filling is all come together. It's almost like all sticking with each other, if you can just see. And at this stage, I'm going to keep this aside. Close the gas. No. Now, put a tawa here and I'm going to roll out my tortillas now. Oh, in my filling it's good I'll add some dhania. I love lots of coriander leaves, so I'll add some now and let it rest for a while I make the tortillas now. Now my dough has rested nicely. So give it a good knead once more. And take, say, as much dough like what you will make your chapati dough, something like that. Make roundels like this. And I'll roll out the dough now. Just roll out with the help of some dry flour. Regular way how you will roll your chapati, similar stuff. So for my quesadillas, I need 2 tortillas like this. So one is done. I'll take another one. So these 2 chapati rolled out are ready. Now I'm going to roast this in the tawa. First I'll dry roast them and then do the quesadillas completely. Just always clean your platform well where you're working. Okay, so the first one is first dry roast them. Dry roast both the tortilla doughs, the tortilla rolled out. I'm first not adding any butter or oil in it, just so that it's almost like half done. Guys, if you have any questions, any queries, do let me know after the live. I'll definitely like to answer all your questions. So now it is all half done. What I'll do here is just take out one, keep it here, and on this surface I will place the prepared filling nicely. The paneer, capsicum, corn, onion and cheese filling, and spread it all across. Already looks quite yummy. And on this I'll put some more Amul cheese on top. What the cheese will do is, it'll of course give a lot of taste, but other than that, this will form like a binding. So when I put the other half of the tortilla back here and press it, the cheese will make it stick. Now I'll just press this well and turn it. Carefully turn it. Yeah. And then add some butter on the sides to roast this well. Keep pressing it while you keep roasting, because the cheese will make it stick together like a sandwich, and your quesadilla will be ready in no time. Once more, you can turn it. So here you can be really creative with whatever filling you like. You can use your non-veg filling, you can use your other choice of vegetables, you can use whatever favorites you have inside. And another very good tip is, when you make, you must be making regular chapatis at home. So with your regular chapatis, you can turn them into quesadillas. I think your kids are going to love it, because it has lots of cheese and lots of other vegetables, and normally it's everybody's family favorite. So I made tortillas from the scratch to show you the original recipe, but definitely you can use up your leftovers to do this recipe. Turn once more. Now slowly it's getting the color. It should be nice and golden brown. I'm just waiting for it to completely turn golden brown, and then I'll cut and serve and show you how it is served. Tomato ketchup. It's slowly turning golden brown. My paneer kasidiya is almost ready. Just flip it one more time. Yeah, look at this. This is now it has come, the gorgeous color has come. And the cheese has done its binding. Just switch off the gas and put it in a cutting board, chopping board. Then you can cut this into squares, or you can cut them like pizzas, into wedges and serve. I'm just cutting them like pizza wedges. So I'll just serve them on a platter. Just make a little presentation. Just look at this. It's crusty, it's cheesy, it's melty, it's yum. So just place these wedges. So for you guys, paneer quesadillas, it's really tasty, it's really buttery and cheesy. So do try this at home and let me know how you like the recipe. And now I'm ready to answer any questions if you have. So many of you joining me today, it gives me great joy and great pleasure. Thank you guys. Great to find all of you here. Do try this recipe at home. It's pretty simple, and even if you don't make the paneer quesadilla, the tortillas from the scratch like I have done, you can use your leftover chapatis, you can use your parathas, and be creative. So any questions? Thank you for watching me today, because it was good fun. It's always good fun coming on Amul platform and interact with you guys and show you something with the products and something nice and yummy and easy. Thank you guys, so many of you watching me. Thanks a lot. That is a lot, that gives me a lot of encouragement. Thank you so much. It was great fun interacting with you today. Okay, I am Chef Ananya Banerjee signing off now. Take care of yourself. These are trying times. Be safe, take care, and be good. Bye-bye.